Welcome to Mrs. Harry's music room.
Aww.
Today we're going to be making our own water glass chime bar set at home. It's almost as good as this one here, but it's a heck of a lot more fun to make.
Yeah!
And you need food colouring, and it can be really messy, so you might need some help with this one. Let's cut over to my kitchen and see how it's done. So let's begin our project today with 5 or 6 equal-sized bottles or glasses and some wonderful food colouring. I don't mind if you use glasses or bottles, they just need to be of equal size. Add a little water to each bottle or glass, adding a little more each time so that you end up with almost one full glass or bottle at the end. Once you have used up all of your water, you can add your food colouring. This is the best part, and I've mixed a couple of colourings together today. Unfortunately, it made black and not purple. Give it a stir, and there you go, your water bottle xylophone. What do you notice about those bottles that have more water in them? Do they make a lower or a higher sound? And what do you notice about those bottles that have less water? Is that a high sound you're hearing? This all leads us to that wonderful discovery that a fuller bottle produces a lower sound and an emptier bottle a higher sound.